Hey guys, what's up? It's your boy Saieki, and as you can see, playing some Minecraft. You know what it is. So, I've you know what it is. We're back. I got some goals in mind for this world. I'm telling y'all, this world I'm in the process of making. I'm telling you, it's gonna be fantastic, and bro. I plan to have like a big ass house. I plan to have a farm. I plan to have. I plan. What one of my main goals is to actually have like a big ass like a zoo for like every animal in the game, which is gonna be hard, but like I got nothing better to do. You know what I'm saying? So is that. And I just have to tell you guys right now. I'm starting to like listen to some music while I play some like do my videos. And I just gotta tell you guys, there's a song called Baby Boy by Kevin Abstract. And I'm telling you, that song, whew, it is so good, bro. I'm telling you, it is so good. Like that song for me is on repeat right now. Like it's pretty good. Tell me if I'm the right. I can't sing, but okay. Now, what to talk about in this video? Honestly, I don't talk about anything I want, cause like I have in mind what I want to talk about, aka anime, but like, are y'all really ready for that? Are y'all really? Oh my gosh, this is even more cold. Are y'all ready for what an anime talk from your boy Saieki? Bro, I'm telling you guys off the rip. I watch so much. Okay, well, to be honest, I stopped watching anime now, and I kind of transfer over into manga. But before, when I started out watching anime, I used to watch anime so much. Holy, Naruto, Dragon Ball, Fairy Tail, what else? Danmachi. What else? I know there's more, but like I can't speak out my head because Parasite, Bleach. Like, bro, I watch a lot of stuff. And oh, Saieki, you're just naming the freaking like popular animes right now. Guys, I have watched many animes, and that goes for like the messed up ones too. And by messed up I mean, you know, some gore, some a little ecchi, you know what I'm saying? Like, a little harem, you know what I'm saying? But like DxD High School, whew, I finished that show. Oh my god. The amount of times, bro. The amount of time I freaking grilled my bun. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, anime is a very, I don't know. I always thought if you watch anime, because don't get me wrong, back in like elementary, like grade 8, grade 7, whatever, I had this one friend, and he watched it, like he watched Naruto a lot. And then I'm like, bro, why do you watch these like Japanese anime, like cartoons, bro? Like, they look so goddamn, like, it's so cringy. Like, you know what I'm saying? But then later on, your boy Saieki just hopped on Google, just went on my right site, I just started watching Naruto, and after that I got hooked on anime, and then here I am today. You know what I'm saying? Oh, what the holy shit! But me and my other friends watch anime a lot too, and like my group of friends, like our only preference, literally. You can come across a lot of guys or girls. I won't discriminate, but for me and my boys, we mainly watch like animes that involve a lot of like romance. You know what I'm saying? But like, to be honest, I rather watch or not read. Actually, watch or read manga that doesn't have romance. I rather have manga that has harem. And listen, here's my reason why, alright? Because the thing is, right? I'm telling you, if it's not romance comedy, then I'm not gonna watch it. Because the thing is, right? I don't know about you guys, but for me, if I watch/read a manga that has romance, right? 99% of the time, it's gonna be a goddamn love triangle. And it's gonna be two boys fighting over the fucking girl every time. And the girl's gonna act like an idiot. The boys are gonna act like an idiot. And to me, I don't know why, but I just hate that. You know, like, I don't know why. Like, I hate seeing people compete for a girl, even though it's a fucking manga slash anime. You know what I'm saying? But that's what I can't. I have so what? I have so much. That's what I cannot handle. So, and like for example, there's this manga I read on this app, right? This app called Manga Rock, and it's basically about. Oh my god! What the? The manga is basically about a guy and a girl, and they like each other, but then all of a sudden this freaking other dude comes in like, oh, I take interest in your girl now, and then the main guy's like, oh no, he's gonna steal my chick, I gotta make a move, and like, yeah, like I don't know, I can't deal with that. But unlike that, there's harem, right? But don't get it twisted. There are two types of harems, okay? There is the real life harem, and there's the happy ending harem, right? The happy ending harem is when the main character gets with everyone and it ends off with everyone being happy, right? But the real life harem is the slice of life part, where it goes like the guy has a harem, but since it's real life, a guy can't marry multiple girls, so then there's obviously gonna be drama, there's gonna be tears coming down, which is what I do not fuck with, right? So that's why it's either it's just harem now. It's literally just harem. Oh, chicken. But that's literally it. Cause I can't deal with stuff that are so like drama. Like I don't know. Like I just get in the feels. You know. I don't know, guys. I know I probably sound like, what is that? Oh, it's a sheep. I don't know if I sound weird to you guys, but like that's just how I function. You know what I'm saying? Okay, this looks kind of promising. Hold on, right there, like right over there, that's gonna be my freaking base, my guy. I'm telling you. All right. So, more coal. What do you know? Tell me if I'm on the right here. Oh my god, I love yo. if I had vocals, bro. Do y'all know Shawn Mendes? If you don't know who he is, you need to freaking Google him up and just search up "Lost in Japan," dude. That song is bangers. If you do know who he is, which you probably, oh, obviously I know him. Well, I'm sorry, but I just gotta say, bro, have you seen this guy? This man is a 6'4" beauty, my guy. I'm not trying to say I'm gay or anything, but I'm just saying, like, this guy's a beauty. I'm just letting you know. All right, I think I'm gonna put the house over here. Honestly, looking pretty nice. Okay. All right. Oh, what the hell am I doing? What the hell? All right, so we're gonna put the chat. Wait, is this on peaceful? Wait, okay, it's on normal. Okay, I'm about to say. Okay, so we're gonna make 2 chests, right? And okay, we're gonna do that. All right, we got 2 of that. All right, gonna do 2 of this. Put the bed over here. Sleep, cuh. All right, I'm just gonna put paper. I don't need that. Look, this is my first one. Yo, I'm gonna put this up in my big ass house and put like a goddamn iron frame up there just to flex on these hoes. You feel me? All right, we gotta put that. Okay, we're just gonna put everything in here basically and just wait till next morning. You know what I'm saying? Put that, put in that, put that. All right, time to sleep. Hello? Says you can only sleep at night. Okay. Hey, the sunset rising. Okay. If y'all really enjoyed the video, you can leave a like, you can do whatever y'all want. I ain't trying to force y'all. And if you hated it and just didn't like me at all, then you dislike or even comment below saying why you hated it, because I'll try my best to improve, you know what I'm saying? But yeah, that's basically it. It has been Saieki. I'll see you guys in the next video.